In this video we're going to go over how to add images and new posts to our featured content slider here on the home page. So coming over here to my dashboard, I'm going to go to posts and I'll see a list of posts here. So I'm going to take this first one here, newsletter, March of 2011. I could also add a new post, but we'll work with one that's existed already. So the first thing you want to do is check off the category over here which says featured, and that's going to tell it to go in the slider, and we also need to specify what image it's going to show. So you're going to scroll down here on the right side and see this thing called Dynamic Content Gallery Meta Box. That's a mouthful. And what we want to do is we want to paste in the image URL here that we want to use for the slider. But obviously we don't have these on hand, so what I like to do is go over here to the post itself and click Add Image. I'm going to go and click my media library, and here I've got all my images, and the ones in here with LG are the ones that are large enough for the content slider. Then I'm going to click Show right here, and at this point I could choose one of these to insert to the post itself. It's up to you. You can just have the image show on the homepage slider, or you can have it show on the homepage slider and also be inserted into the post. But to make it show on the content slider, we have this thing called link URL, and that's the exact address of this image. So I'm just going to double click it and press copy. I'm not going to insert this into a post, although I could. I'm going to X out and just paste in that URL right here. And so I have featured checked off. I have my image URL in here. I'm going to click update, come back out here to my website and click refresh. And there we are, newsletter March 2011, Life Giving Blue Sky, and there's the image that I specified. It will only show at most 5 different posts in here. So you probably don't need to go in and remove old ones, but just in case you do, let's say I wanted to remove this guy, I can just unclick it as featured and click update, and now if I come back out here, I don't have it in here anymore. So that's how you add images to the homepage slider.